Alrighty, friends, welcome back. Here's a look from our Guyman Tower camera looking back towards the southwestern sky. You can see a high into the sky right now, or rather closer to the horizon, Saturn and then Jupiter. And the sky above is fairly clear this morning. A little bit of a haze. We might actually have some patchy fog over southern counties so far. The Oklahoma Panhandle is on the clear side. Taking over to our radar and satellite map, you can see some of the clouds over the southern part of the Panhandle, but again, mostly clear here in Amarillo and across the rest of the Texas Panhandle, while all the energy is actually out towards central New Mexico, the Four Corners region. They are in their monsoonal season, starting to get more moisture pushing towards the Rocky Mountains and allowing for more widespread rain and thunderstorms. While today we're looking at a little bit of less of a chance for storms, a little bit of energy over our southern counties available to try and produce a storm or two here in town. That chance rain is less than 10%. We'll call it 20% for our southern counties, say from Plainview, Tulia, Crest back over towards Silverton, Caparcan State Park, Childress over towards Friona and Bovina here in Amarillo. 65 degrees at 7 o'clock. That's right at average, close to average here in the afternoon with a high of 92. And we'll look for those muggy conditions to continue on. The humidity staying fairly high, at least high enough to make it feel pretty muggy this afternoon. Checking in on our lake levels, Lake Meredith at 75.06 feet deep this morning. Greenbelt falling off to 46.54. Ute Lake at 80.80 and coming up just a bit. And Lake McKenzie at 81.40 and continue to fall off. Of course, we did have a little bit of rain out towards Ute Lake over the past several days, so we continue to watch that level rise. This afternoon, we'll top out at 94 degrees for our friends in Tucumcari. Childress heating up to 96, 93 in Pampa, up in Guyman, 92, not too bad, same here in Amarillo. And Canyon also 92 degrees. We'll top out at 90 in Dumas and Sunray as well for our friends out towards Adrian, about 93, and Shamrock heating up to 94 for this afternoon, with again a few stray thunderstorms possible over the southern half of the Panhandle. Likely we won't see any rain here in Amarillo. Overnight tonight, once again pretty humid, temperatures falling off to the 60s and the 70s. On our 7-day forecast, we'll look for those rain chances to start dropping off. Thursday, again a stray thunderstorm or two is possible, but not quite the widespread rain we have had the past couple of days. We'll top out at 92 here in town, 93 for Friday and Saturday, up to 94 degrees on Sunday. Winds from the southeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, and then a few storms starting to return to the high plains as early as Monday and Tuesday of next week. But at least we're not talking heavy triple digits. You can always check out that forecast at myhighplains.com right now.